Hammer and wrench emoji. The checklist supplies wax. Choose soy wax flakes for a clean burn, perfect for those just starting out. Wicks. Use pre-tabbed cotton or wooden wicks for best results. Fragrance oil. Select oils made specifically for candles, using about 10% of the wax weight. Containers. Opt for glass jars, tins, or ceramic mugs for your creations. Double boiler. You can use a heat-safe pitcher placed in a pot of simmering water. Thermometer. This tool is vital for ensuring the scent binds effectively to the wax. Wick holders. Use clothespins or pencils to keep your wick centered during the process. Candle emoji. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Measure the wax to determine how much wax to use. Fill your container with water and note the volume. For each 100 milliliters of water, you'll require approximately 90 grams of wax flakes. Pro tip: double your expected amount of flakes to account for their volume before melting. 2. Melt the wax. Set your wax in the double boiler over medium heat for melting. The magic number: heat the wax until it reaches a temperature of 85 degrees Celsius. Safety: always monitor melting wax closely, as it can catch fire if overheated. 3. Prep the containers. While waiting for the wax to melt, use rubbing alcohol to clean your jars. Stick a wick sticker or hot glue to your wick tab's bottom, pressing it firmly into the jar's center. 4. Add fragrance. After reaching 85 degrees Celsius, remove the wax from heat. Pour in your designated fragrance oil and stir carefully for about 2 minutes. Why 2 minutes? This ensures the oil and wax intermingle, preventing the scent from sinking to the bottom. 5. The perfect pour. Allow the wax to cool down to approximately 55 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius before pouring. The secret: pouring at a lower temp avoids excessive shrinkage, which can create wet spots or holes around the wick. Make sure to leave approximately 1 centimeter of space at the jar's top. 6. Secure and cure. Utilize a wick holder or 2 pencils wired together to maintain the wick's alignment as the wax solidifies. Patience: allow the candle to rest at room temperature for 24 hours. The cure: for optimal scent throw, let soy candles cure for 1 to 2 weeks prior to lighting. Film camera emoji. Viral video strategy for candle making. Share this on YouTube or Facebook and try these engaging shots. Macro shot: capture wax flakes sinking into the pitcher in slow motion. The melt: create a time lapse showing white flakes transforming into a clear liquid. The pour: focus closely on the liquid meeting the jar's bottom in a steady shot. The trim: record a satisfying snip of the wick once the candle has solidified. Warning emoji. A common misconception: it's a frequent myth that essential oils work well for candles. Avoid this. Many essential oils have low flash points and may lose their scent or produce soot when burned. Always choose fragrance oils designed for high heat candle making.